In this tutorial, I will show you how to make the single post singularity light, right? Okay, first I take a new one and remove this one. Principal BSD, I don't need this one. Okay, now I take a two one. One is at here, sorry, here, and second one is a emission, and another one is a refraction BSDF. Refraction BSDF. Okay, yeah. And now I take a math node, right? Here is a math node, change it to the power, and another one is a mix node, right? Mix node and change it to float to color and mix it to multiply or maybe add. Okay, now let's connect these nodes. This one, right? Yeah, this emission to this one, this is to this one, and backman, convert the backman to sharp, and yeah, power to IOR, this value to IOR. Why it's not, okay, yeah, okay, and this one to the base one. Okay, now let's just simple change the values of this one. Okay, the power exponent increase it, I think 1.6. Okay, factor should be 4, and now I take a two color ramp for lighting. Okay, now go to take a color ramp. This one, shift D, copy this one. Okay, now just change the color of this one. Okay, now first of all, uh, sorry, here is one, this one. Okay, no problem, just change the color to a black one. This one is black. Okay, and flip this one, and now I take another one and take the light like little bit uh, orange. Okay, and take another one and take the same light but a little bit different orange light this one, and put this one on here, change it to change this to black one, and move it to close over here. Okay, now I just close this one, this one here, this one is more close. Okay, yeah, and change it to the B spline. RGB is okay, and this should move to a little bit, I think here, yes. Okay, now this is okay, just flip this one and change it to the linear to ease. RGB is okay, yes. Now connect this first color ramp to the emission color, and this one is to the color A. This one, okay. And I change it to the material preview. Uh, yes. Now I take a layer weight, two layer weights. Here's one, this one, this one. Okay. Connect this facing to this one. Connect this facing to this one. And play with the value of this one, like point, I think 8 is okay, and this one should be the point, no, not 1, I think, like, yeah, it's look like a eye people, right? Okay, yeah, I think I close this more to this one, and this is more close on this one. Okay, and change it to the render preview. Yeah, and increase emission light or decrease according to light. You need more glow, so Adjust, yeah, I just set it to the 2. Okay, right? Yeah, here is another light. I hope you like this tutorial, and if you like this, please subscribe my YouTube channel and like this video and share this video. See you next time. Bye.